Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Good evening, everybody. Take a look outside. I got a nice shot tonight. This comes from Daniel up on Boys, and you'll notice the sun was setting, and he says, I caught this for just a moment, and then it looked like the sun just kind of set, and then the whole thing just kind of disappeared. Cool looking shot, Daniel. I'm glad you waited to just the right moment. Good deal. And it looks like Kerry Longshore got the same idea. Drove to the top of the Metro parking lot, got a picture out facing the west, and you can see the beautiful flaming type clouds we had out there. Just a nice looking shot. Currently, here's the way things look in Billings right now. Sun is set. Temperature's cooling down. It's 41 degrees. We still have partly cloudy skies and a west wind at about 16 miles per hour. Now, our reported high today actually got up to 50 degrees. Your normal high 54, so we're close to that. The record was 77 back in 1950, and boy, the first time I've seen this year. 7 below zero was the record low back in 1991. We'll probably see a few more of those before the winter is over with. In the meantime, let me show you how we did precipitation-wise. Nothing new to add to the totals today. So we're about 3/4 of an inch for the month. We need to be about 1 inch. And for the year, we're at 1786. Only need to be at 1250. And right now, our current temperatures around the state are into the 30s and 40s out in the west. Across the highline, 40s over here as well. Here in Billings, we're still 41 degrees. A little chilly over at Worland. It's 28 degrees right now there. Now, these are our reported highs. A lot of 50s across most of eastern Montana. Even Billings topped out at 50, but you'll notice out towards the west is a little cooler out there. Temperatures mostly into the 40s there. So just about everybody 40s and 50s, no matter where you looked in the state. And as we move on, you can see this is the story today. You see a few cloudy skies, a couple of sprinkles, light rain, a couple of snowflakes out in the west. Just kind of a very unsettled, unstable weather pattern today. A lot of columns of air rising, a lot of columns of air settling. And so because of that, we had some scattered sprinkles just pop up here and there throughout much of the state. Now, as you'll see here, we have another cold front pushing its way in towards northern Montana. Probably just going to clip the extreme northeast edge of the state. It continues to push its way in towards the Midwest. For us, our next big storm is this one out here in the Pacific Northwest. There's a warm front in front of it, and that'll start moving into Idaho tomorrow, into western Montana by 6 p.m. on Wednesday. And what's going to happen is you'll probably start to see some scattered snow showers out here. But then son of a gun, the whole thing just starts to fall apart. And then we'll probably see some scattered rain showers across central Montana by maybe late in the day on Halloween. By 6 p.m. Thursday, that whole system blows right on through, and we'll see some cooler temperatures. Now, we could see about maybe 5 inches of snow over in Yellowstone Park. Everywhere else, anywhere from like 1 to 2 inches of snow. Back in eastern Montana, probably just some scattered rain showers as we move in late in the day on Wednesday on Halloween. But as far as temperatures, we'll back down into the 20s and 30s across most of eastern Montana tonight with partly cloudy skies and Billings, clearing skies farther east you go. Then for tomorrow, back into the 50s, mostly cloudy skies rolling in later in the day. You'll probably see mostly sunny skies in the extreme eastern edge of the state, but around the mountains, around places like Yellowstone Park, the Beartooth, all the way up towards Kalispell, could see some scattered snow showers there. But for Billings tonight, mostly cloudy, a few isolated sprinkles, 30 degrees. Then for tomorrow, we're back up to 52 with a good chance of rain late in the day. Thursday, chance for rain showers, 54 degrees, 57 on Friday, good 50% chance for rain showers. Over the weekend, we're back into the 40s and 50s. Turn your clocks back on Saturday night, and then it's like a 20 to 30% chance for rain off and on. Let's go back to the desk.